Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go into detail about how I do my skin prep before makeup. I've gotten some comments of people asking what I do, so I'm going to show you in extreme detail exactly what I do for my skin prep. I like to layer moisturizers. I don't like one heavy moisturizer. I like to layer those. And I also use two sunscreens on my face. I use one around my eyes and one for the entirety of my face. Because my favorite sunscreen is imported from Korea, the tariffs are going to make it exceptionally expensive to buy, so I've had to switch to using chemical sunscreens on my face. However, they burn the bejesus out of my eyeballs. The skin around my eyes myself, the eyes themselves. I don't know how to say that, but my eyeball itself also burns and stings and runs like crazy. So I use a sunscreen stick around my eyes, a mineral sunscreen stick, and for the rest of my face I use a chemical sunscreen. Everything that I'm using in this video for sunscreens is from some Sun Bum. That is a coincidence. This video is not sponsored by anyone. So, if you're curious to see what I do for my skin, please keep watching. First, I like to mist my skin with this Avene hydrating spray. This is so soothing and lightly hydrating for the skin. It's amazing. And then I tap it in to make sure that it sets. Next, I go in with this One Thing Centella toner, and I put this all over my face and neck. I like to press this into my skin with my hands, and this is my second hydration step. Centella is very hydrating. Last hydrating is this hydrating toner lotion. It's by One Ingredient toner lotion. It's milky. This feels like water going onto the skin. It is so nice. It absorbs so well and is so lightweight. It's not suffocating to the skin, which is what I don't like about heavy moisturizers. This one is exceptionally light and doesn't feel like I have much on. I also put this all over my face and my neck. Now that I've put on all my skincare ingredients, it's very, very important that you let this set for 10 minutes before going on to the next step, which is sunscreen. I like to use this Sun Bum mineral sunscreen stick around my eyes, and there's two ways you can apply this. You can do it directly on the eye from the stick, which is, I don't like doing it. I'm doing this just for demonstration purposes here. And then pat it in once you've applied. Or, which is the way I like applying it, you can rub it onto your finger and dab it around your eyelid. This is more comfortable, in my opinion. Also, make sure that you use your ring finger when you dab anything around your eyes, just because the ring finger is more gentle. Next up, another Sun Bum sunscreen. This is their SPF 50 face sunscreen. And this is also a moisturizing sunscreen. It's a very light moisturizing sunscreen. And it's fragrance free and it's wonderful. I like it on my face, on my neck, on my upper chest. But I do not like this on my eyes because it burns. I did some research and it's better to put the mineral sunscreen around your eyes if you have any issues with burning and irritation, and then put the chemical where it doesn't bother you. So that's what I've been doing, and it works perfectly. For the rest of my body, I really enjoy using this sunscreen body lotion. It has a tropical scent that reminds me a little bit of bananas. It's not an awful smell. It smells really good. It doesn't smell like sunscreen to me. It's light and it doesn't linger very long. So I really like this. I really like the way it spreads and blends into the skin. It's super easy to apply. And the best sunscreen is always one you like. So I really love this. And then again, it's really important that you let all your sunscreen set for 10 minutes before you apply any makeup. Now I am going to blot my face to remove any excess oil because I have an oily T-zone, and apply a mattifying product to the center of my face, to my T-zone. To mattify my T-zone, I'm going to be using this Parnell Cooling Biome Water. This product is really good. It has a cooling effect on the skin, which is good at cooling down your skin's temperature so it doesn't produce so much oil, and it's also really good at mattifying skin before applying makeup. It's also very lightweight and doesn't add any texture to the skin whatsoever. And there you have it. That's everything that I do to prep for makeup, from skincare to primers. That's everything that I do. So if you like this kind of video, please give me 2 thumbs up, like, and subscribe. My name's Mimi, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.